All right, just did a short workout. It's actually snowing this morning. I had no idea it was gonna snow, but it's 35, feels like 28. I have not been outside in the tub in forever, so it is snowing. So let's see what happens. I don't know if the water's okay, we'll find out. Okay, so the sun is sort of out and it's super full. It's gonna overflow. 15-minute workout, it's 35. Feels like 28. I have not done this in a long time. And so it's all about here. It's all a mind. It's all a mind game. Face the sun. Okay, rock and roll. Okay. It's been a while. So, doing this challenge for booty yoga, 25 days of booty. Hang on, I gotta acclimate. Can you guys see the snow? It's snowing. This is the second time of snow in the morning in the last month. But the boat, yes, the pose is boat pose. And I think it said do it in your favorite place. So this is one of my favorite places. So boat pose, it's like, let's see if I can do it in the water. Float. Whew. I'll try. My feet float. And I'm freezing. Boat pose. A for effort. I did a picture. Okay. See if I can lift up because I'm floating. Can you do it? You go forward. Oh, Lord help me. A for effort. You got it. You got it. It's a core based pose. There we go. But I can't hold it up because I float. Oh man, I haven't dunked or anything. Wow. Okay. So I forgot what this was like doing full immersion. I've been doing full up cold showers. But whoo, yeah, your fingers and your toes definitely feel the sensation first. But the most exciting part of this to me is, I don't know if it's been a minute. Has it been, yeah. Has it been 2 minutes? I don't even know. Did I set it? No, I didn't set a timer. So I think it's been almost 2 minutes. So, the fun part of this where you really get like that dopamine craziness, like that high, is right now. So let me grab you. No, that's okay. Am I gonna grab you? No, let's just do it. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Woo! That's it. This is it. Woo-wee! Boat pose. We are so powerful. Yep, that's right. It's all in your mind. I am worthy. I am wealthy, abundant, prosperous. I am love. I am light. I am empowered. I am wise. I am truth. I am peace. I have harmonious relationships. I am one with source. I am one with all there is. Woo! Here we go. Just a little recap. It's 35, feels like 28, and it's snowing. Dun, 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 dun. This is Tenacious Thursday. We can do hard things all day. Just have to. And if you do this in the morning, like cold shower, 2 minutes, or like this, you can do friggin' anything throughout your day. Okay, so yes, this is the most amazing feeling ever. Super excited that I finally got in after the water being in there forever. And yes, this is an ice bath smile.